You see, Movado and Bounty Killer especially,
Yeah.
90% of the song them with them sing are the song them from way back when.
Back in the idea.
Everybody respond to the song them.
That's true.
So, you see, said those music come like it can't dead.
Longevity, man.
Longevity, and that's what me appreciate with the dancehall from back then, bro.
And you know what I love with Bounty Killer? I care zero when nobody wants to say. You see how Bounty Killer knows him I work with a certain time frame and him still bring out the artists them to perform.
Yeah, bro. Everybody
within the
full performance.
Within the time frame?
Within the time frame.
Alright, so that me I show you say. You see when people are talk about Beenie Man, Ray and Beenie Man. Listen, Beenie Man could have call out Shane from early.
Long before.
And Beenie Man could have other artists on the show just like Shane and them share the stage, bro. Beenie Man is a Mike Shark and Bounty Killer.
Because
you are general.
And you know, at one point, dog, me I feel like I know Bounty Killer show. Because we are all the artists that run the show, bro.